so today we're gonna install this Schluter self-E shelf, and it's gonna go in here. And the reason we're going with this option is anything else would look super big and bulky in here, you know? So we're gonna have a really slick shelf back there. Let me open this baby up. We bought this through Lowe's. I'm sure if we bought it through our distributor, we could have got some type of discount, but we didn't, so shame on us. But it's gonna go right here. How sick is that? So basically you mark out those little ears where they go and with a pencil. Then I'm gonna cut it with my oscillating tool, kind of chip away at the grout. I'm gonna put some silicone caulk in there to hold it, and then I'm gonna silicone around it with a tight bead of silicone to hold that. That looks so cool. I love it. And see, like, I mean, I'll do another video once it's done, but like that matches our chrome, our stainless steel finish and everything like that. All right, let me install it, and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, so we got our shelves cut out. And so these are 1/16 of an inch gaps here. So this should fit right in here. Just like so. I guess I could send this. What's stopping me here? Right here, it's stopping me. Let me clean that up a little bit more. Maybe just box it. Okay, let's see if this fits better now. That is awesome. All right, so, whoa, I got you. So you see how those lips are in there? There as well. Right here too. So right now, this is good to go. But I'm gonna take this back out. I'm gonna put some silicone in there, some grout caulking, and then I'm gonna caulk around this really tight, so then this will be, yes, if you freaking put a rope on this or something, or you pry this out, it will obviously come out. But that's not what we do, right? We're just gonna put some soaps on here. Don't like sit on this. But even if you do, this is freaking what? 1/8 of an inch steel. So I'm really happy with this. Let's finish it up. Alex, can I get a sponge? right, well, the shelf is in. So there it is, our Schluter shelf. I got it online, Lowe's.com, whatever. You can get it on Amazon too. But there it is. Matches all the finishes on that. So cool. Looks slick, looks modern. It's not really in the way, especially for a tight bathroom like this. That thing is so low key. We love it.